Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is fold your fabric pretty sides together and then just sew along the bottom, leaving your sides open. Now you're just gonna go ahead and turn your fabric. Now make sure your seam stays down the middle. Now you're gonna fold the band. Make sure your seams stay facing towards the bottom. Go ahead and tie your knot. Now go ahead and bring both ends together. We're gonna go ahead and sew that edge. Now you're gonna move your knot and you're gonna cover that seam that you just sewed. So your knot's gonna be placed right on top of that. Keep moving the knot till you completely cover the seam, but just make sure you don't tighten your knot too much. This is what you should end up with. Now you can add a little bit of hot glue to the knot so that it doesn't come undone or tightens too much when you put the headband on. And you can also sew parts of it as well if you need to. I hope you guys liked this quick tutorial and thank you for watching.